For a 240-volt 2.5-ton air conditioning unit in a 1 or 2 family dwelling, 10/2 Romex, also known as an NMB cable, can indeed be utilized. The letter B in NMB signifies that the wire insulation is rated for 90 degrees Celsius. However, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, often requires that you use the 60 degrees Celsius ampacity column for determining the allowable ampacity of the conductor when used in this type of application. This is due to termination temperature limitations at the equipment. For a 240-volt circuit using 10-gauge wire, the ampacity at 60 degrees Celsius is typically 30 amps per NEC Table 310.15b16. A 2.5-ton air conditioning unit generally draws around 24 amps during operation. Therefore, a 10-gauge wire with an ampacity of 30 amps would be sufficient in size to handle the load. However, it is important to note that the overcurrent protection device, such as a fuse or circuit breaker, must be sized appropriately to protect the conductor. While 10/2 Romex, or NMB, can be used, it cannot be fused at 40 amps. The maximum fuse size or circuit breaker size for 10-gauge wire is 30 amps to protect it from overload. It is critical to adhere to the NEC guidelines for conductor ampacity and overcurrent protection to ensure electrical safety and prevent potential hazards such as overheating and fire. Choosing the right wire size and fuse is vital for the safe and efficient operation of the air conditioning unit.